Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my first makeup tutorial here. If you don't know, my name is Lorena and I'm a professional makeup artist. And today I have a makeup tutorial, better said an eye makeup tutorial, because the tutorial for this face look, it's on my Instagram, on my IGTV, so I will link it down below if you are curious to see it. I'm really excited about today's video because I will be showing you the new Too Faced Born This Way collection. They recently launched this new Born This Way additional products, and we have here 4 different face palettes and a eyeshadow palette. So for my face I have used the lightest palette because I'm pretty pale and I can't really use darker shades on me, only in the summer when I'm more tanned. The packaging, it's gorgeous. It's like a boudoir product. Look at it. It's so pretty. I love the design. Never fails. The packaging, it's pretty sturdy. I mean, look, it's pretty hard plastic and it's got a big, better said, a huge mirror. It's like the size of the product, and inside we've got 3 different highlighters. This one, it's called Soft Focus. It's more like under the eye powder because it's much more lightweight and it's very sheer, and it only brings you a little luminosity under the eyes. I have used it today here, and the other ones are like stronger highlighters, as you can see on my face. This one, the glow one, it's a highlighter. It's pretty metallic, but the size of the product, it's very small, so the powder is very finely milled. Unlike this one it's called Dazzle, and the product, it's much more looser. It's like a pressed pigment, and you can see that the size of the powder, it's slightly larger, so the texture is different, but you can definitely see from my hands that they are in different textures. I think this is much more metallic than this one, and it has a slightly glittery feeling to it. The glow one glides very easily on the skin, while the Dazzle one, I think you need to apply it on your highlighter brush, and after that to spray some makeup fixer, because since the pigment it's bigger, it will be looser, but that depends on your look you're trying to achieve, because if you really like that sparkling look, that is how I use it today. And as you can see, it's kind of blinding on my skin. Then you don't need to use a makeup fixer. So I just told you some ways you can use this product, and I think it's very big quantity. The palette, the makeup palette, it's also made in Italy and it's called Natural Nude. This also, it's gorgeous. Also has a huge mirror in it. This one is a cardboard palette, and you have here matte shades, shimmery shades and metallic shades, different textures but also different tones, because we've got here very warm tones and here some slightly cooler tones, and these shades look like pressed pigment to me, but I will be trying them on right now. Yeah, definitely like pressed pigments. It's like what's now on trend. I've seen these pressed pigments in different brands. I made my brows because I didn't want to lose time, and I'm going to prime my eyes with this Pupa Prime Me base. This is a silicone base eye primer, but it's also, as you can see, it has a skin tone. So I'm just quickly applying it with my finger. If you're very familiar with YouTube tutorials, I think you know that when you apply with your finger a product, it gets warmer and it applies much more faster and better on your skin. I'm taking a Zoeva brush and I'm going first with this shadow right here. It's called Glistening Snow. I hope you can see it because of my light. It's a white golden shade, which I think it's perfect for underneath the brows. Wow! This shadow is blinding. Wow, okay. And I'm going to apply it also here on my inner corner, so that it matches everything and it's everything balanced out. So I'm going in with Seashell, this matte. It's a slightly nude pink shade. And I'm taking this Sigma E40 brush. I don't know if many of you still use Sigma. I don't know why I don't see many more makeup brushes here on YouTube, because I just love Sigma and I know they were my first big brand of makeup brushes that I bought. So here it's the shade Not to Lose either, and I'm going to apply it above my crease. And the reason I applied the highlighter shade first is that now everything is going to blend in, so I don't have to worry about some spots. Now I'm going in with E70, also from Sigma, and I'm going to take this pinky warm shade called Battle. This will warm up everything. Wow, these are really pigmented. I don't know what's the final look I'm going to create, but let's dig in. So I think I'm going on the rose gold train, and I'm going to use this rose gold shade. It's called rose gold actually. And also I'm going to use Sparkling Rum. I'm letting everything as it is right now, and I'm not going to apply any spray so that the color will payoff will be better. I really want to show you how it really shows on my skin right now as it is, and after that I can show you. Wow, this is on bare skin, guys. I just love it. The brush is E55, also by Sigma. It's definitely like pressed pigments. They blend in very, very beautifully. I'm also going in with this shade right here called Shimmering Pearl. And I'm going to apply it right here. Just to have some continuity between this lighter shade right here. I love it. Next I want to take this shade called Warm Rose. And this brush has no name, guys. I got it on AliExpress and I love it. It was very cheap and it's with natural fibers. And I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. And I'm going to connect it with this blending right here. Next I'm going to take this brown shade called Born This Way with the same brush, and I'm just going to apply it in my lash line right here, only until here. I'm going to create a line, and now I'm going to darken this corner right here, also with the same brush. It's too pigmented. Now I'm taking my blending brush again to blend everything, because here I placed too much product. It's very, very pigmented. Now to create some balance, I'm going to take this shade again and mix it up with a little bit of this Warm Rose with Cocoa, because here it's too much of a difference, as you can see. So I'm going to balance it out. I need a middle shade like this one. So now it will be perfect. I'm going to apply some of the rose gold shade right here. I've applied eyeliner and I can't do this on camera, guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm just not good at it. I have to look very closely into the mirror, so that's why, but I will do my best if you want an eyeliner tutorial. Of course, I use my favorite eyeliner. I don't just say it because it's Too Faced. I really tried a lot, and this and the Kat Von D one are my favorite. That one I can't build it up because it's like exfoliating after applying too much eyeliner, so that's why I love this one more. It's the Better Than Sex eyeliner and I just love it. I love the tip. It's also the same, I think it's similar or the same as the Kat Von D one because there are little fibers right here. So that's why I love it, because it's not a sponge. If you buy this kind of eyeliner, it won't dry out because it's not sponge. It's little fibers that are never going to dry out. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I really thought if I should place false eyelashes today, but I don't think I'm in the mood right now for gluing my lashes today, and I'm heading out, so I hate when people stare at me or at my eyes. So yeah, I'm just curling them and using the Better Than Sex mascara. My cat's right here. She's sleeping under the camera. So I really like this mascara, guys. I've been through 2 tubes until now. Good. So the last stop here, it's the lipstick. I haven't applied blush today because I wanted the eye makeup to stand out, and also the lipstick. And this one, it's a new Pupa lipstick. If you don't know Pupa, it's a very well-known makeup brand from Italy. It's called Pupa Milano, and this is from their new collection. It's called Glamorous Petal Lips. And I still have some Too Faced lip balm on my lips, and now I think they are hydrated enough. I'm going to use this. It's number 01, and if you look at the texture, you will see that it's very, very interesting. It's very matte, and the texture, it's very interesting. It's the first time I'm trying it. Wow, so soft. I thought it was more matte than this, but it's very comfortable on the lips and it's a warm shade, so that's why I love it. As for my final thoughts, I love the face powders. These are amazing. I just love it. It's blinding, and I love the texture. It's very luxurious. I just love it. It's definitely worth it. It's like a collection piece, for sure, for sure. And as for the palette, as you can see, I almost used every shade in here and no fallout. I love this thing. I noticed that as the time passes and collection launches from Too Faced, they get better and better at eyeshadows. I enjoyed the chocolate palettes as well. I have them. I love the gingerbread ones and also the natural nudes. And also I have another nude palette. This, it's very, very pigmented, and I love all the textures in here. I think it's very well made, and it's, I think if you're not into makeup but you need one palette, I think this will be definitely enough. It's also for day-to-day, for work, for a meeting, for a night out. I think it's perfect and worth it. So this was it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it wasn't too long for you, and hopefully you've learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. See her? She's my guarding makeup angel here. Lily. So this is the whole collection. This is the light color palette. This is the medium one, the tan, and the deep. I think the light and my settings are not good because in real life this one is much more darker, and this is the warmer part. This has a little neutral shades to it. I really like this one also, and you can definitely see a difference between these two. I have only tried the light one, but I will definitely try the medium one also. And as for the palette, here it is. Hey!